Hi guys, I'm gonna show you a little bit about the Servicetag app 2. That's the late stage configuration. So we are all on the same page and understand what it is. The Servicetag app, as you guys all know, is the app that you download in Google Play or App Store to be able to install in your app, where you can check all the luminary information, spare parts, using the app and scanning the QR code. The Servicetag app 2 is actually a late stage configuration. It's an add-on that you can offer to your installer through a contract. There you can actually reconfigure a new luminaire in terms of light output and dyno dimmer curve. So the installer or the wholesaler or the commune can have in stock the base luminaire, and then they can choose just before they're going to do the installation what is going to be the lumen output of this luminaire, so they can it can serve them to different installations, the same luminaire. So I'm going to show you how it works. You just open the app and you scan the Servicetag app. You go, open the Servicetag app, you scan the luminaire QR code. We always recommend the installers to add the extra labels that comes in the box in the base of the mast, so it's easier for them to use at a later stage, do maintenance. But the late stage configuration is actually before you install the luminaire, is while you're still in the workshop. So after you scan, you're gonna get all the information from the luminaire. Light output, you can see here, is 2250 lumens. You can see you could get service parts, but the part that we're interested in is this configuration here. That's the add-on. When you enter here, you're gonna see what is configured in the luminaire. If you go to lumen output, you can see that you have multiple options of lumen output for this luminaire. Originally it comes with 2250, but let's say I want this luminaire to have only 953 lumens. So I select here, I go back, I go to apply, I open the luminaire, and then there's a sign here that says simple set on the driver. You can see all you have to do is get your phone close to it, and that's done. This luminaire now has 953 of lumen output, so you can close it and you can install on place. You can print using the app. If you have a Bluetooth printer, you could print direct from the app a label to put in the luminaire, so you know this luminaire has been configured, or the installer can use his own label printer just to inform that the luminaire has been programmed to something different than what is actually written on the label inside the luminaire. But the QR code, if you scan the QR code again on a later time, it's gonna show the new configuration of the driver, because when you do the configuration of the driver, it updates the cloud with the new configuration. So in case you're gonna replace this driver after 2, 3, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 10 years, something happens, you need a new driver, when you scan this service tag here, it will come up as a 953 lumens output, and you can program and you can replace the driver in case of need. But you see how simple it is, and this luminaire is already a different luminaire than what came from the factory. So you can have a much smaller stock, the installer, so he can have just one luminaire type of this Luma Mini, for example, and he can change the lumen output as he needs for the locations where he installing. Thank you.